What's up guys, Freddy back with another video. It's the weekend y el cuerpo lo sabe, so we gonna get ready for this weekend. First things first, I gotta go get me something to eat, so I'm gonna stop and buy me some tacos from this local taco stand called Tacos AF over here on 249, and then we're gonna go to pick up my cleaner. After that, I'm riding my lifted truck. It's been about 2 weeks since I haven't washed it, so we gonna go to that car wash that I always go to and give it a wash, and let's see how the day goes, man. Y'all wanted more day-to-day stuff? This is what I do day-to-day. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of me washing trucks because I got 3 trucks and I have to wash all 3 of them so they could look halfway decent, so they could look clean at least in the videos, you know. So there is gonna be a lot of car wash, but I'm gonna try to keep it at that. So if you're watching this video, make sure to subscribe. I noticed my last video made like 55,000 views and I only got 15,000 subscribers. So if you watch it, just do me a favor, it means a lot. Subscribe to this channel, that way I know that the people from the LSX YouTube channel are coming to the LSX family and subscribing. So do me a huge favor and do that, and let's see how this day goes. Ah, ya están mis tacos. Mira más, mira nada más. So, encargué 4 de suadero, que viene siendo como fajita, pero como es estilo DF, se llama así la taquería. So, le pusieron, tienen suadero, longaniza, cabeza, lengua, campechanos. Los que yo ordeno son los suadero y los de lengua. Son los the ones that taste better. Pero miren nomás. Ay, güey, me está haciendo la boca. Son las 2:12 y no he comido nada, so estos taquitos van a caer como bueno los tacos. Hopefully I can make it to the gym today because this shit ain't healthy. Alright guys, so I'm done with my tacos. Now it's time to go pick up my cleaner. Boy, your tacos were good. The struggle of having a lifted truck with tires that rough. Gracias. So I just got my cleaners. Now it's time to take this baby to get a wash. Hopefully they don't have a lot of cars. Usually they have a line, like 4 or 5 trucks, or they'll want you to drop it off and then come pick it up later. Hopefully they don't have a lot. It's barely 2:56. I could wait about 30 minutes, 40 minutes maybe. If not, I'm just gonna have to do it myself, which I really don't want to work. Like, washing this truck, guys, is a workout. You gotta be climbing up and down tire. Then you gotta be opening the door so you can get the roof, jumping up and down. It's a workout. This is probably my least favorite truck to wash. And then since I got like the suspension powder coated, I gotta get in there and scrub it and make it look clean, you know. So these guys don't do it. Well, I mean, if I ask them to, they will, but like they just do the outside of the truck. They don't go into detail. But whenever I go to like a truck show or whatever, or whenever I have time and I'm doing it at the house, and I do get under the truck and I scrub all the parts that are powder coated. Hopefully there's not so many cars. Hopefully he don't ask me to leave the truck because I don't have a ride. I'll probably have to call Omar to pick me up. Let's see how this goes. Good. It looks like there ain't too many people. Guys, I think we got lucky. There ain't a lot of people. Thank you, Jesus. ¿Qué onda, mae? ¿Cómo anda? Ahí, güey. ¿Cómo anda?
Bien.
¿Qué andamos? Me quedó con madre, güey. Appreciate you. Ahí estamos. Mira nomás. Clean. Alright guys, so I just got my truck washed. Looks pretty good. There is some stains on the paint. I think they were left because I didn't wash the truck for like 2 weeks and I just let it sit dirty. So I'll probably go to ID Tool and have him like buff it out or something, because it's like the guy was cleaning it and he cleaned it, he washed it, and then he was doing it with like a wax type of thing, and it still wouldn't come off. So I don't know. I really don't want the paint on this truck to mess up. I mean, the paint on my other 2 trucks is messed up, but the paint on this one is pretty good because it just got painted from whenever I got it back from Drops R Us. So I'll probably go over there sometime next week and check it out. I try to show you guys, like I try to record, but you really can't tell on the camera. I'll try to record again right now when I get home, see if you can see it. And man, hopefully it comes off. But a lot of people have been asking me to do like long sleeve shirts for like the people that do work construction. So I am gonna do like the long sleeve shirts, but the ones that are like dry fit for the people that work outside. I'll probably do like a lime green, orange, and white, you know what I'm saying, for like the people that work construction and have to wear like those bright colors. I'll do like long sleeve shirts for the people that are out there working construction, you know. So let me get home and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Hopefully those things come out. Let's see, hopefully, man. I really don't like how they look. They look pretty ugly. Alright guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. This side is good. It's on the other side. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see. You're probably not gonna be able to see it. Well, there's like little lines right here from the dirt. I think you guys can see it, but it's not that noticeable from far away. But like if you get up close to it, oh man, it's got him all the way over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to high detail. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Hopefully I can get those stuff out the truck. We're about to upload a video right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and pick up some gear. We got a bunch of gear everywhere. Oh, and also we're gonna be at Bandas y Trocas. I forgot the date, but we're gonna be at Bandas y Trocas. We're gonna take the trucks out there. Hopefully I can take my GMC this time, because for the other one, for Scraping in the Spring, I wasn't able to take the GMC. But for Bandas y Trocas, I'm really gonna try to take the GMC. I heard it's gonna be in the same place where Scraping in the Spring was. So see you guys out there, and again, subscribe, pick up some gear.